Today I am going to make a simple train. First, connect your LEDs. Now I have connected the LEDs. Now take your battery connector and connect it to the bidirectional switch. If you don't have a bidirectional switch, you can watch my previous video and make it. Now I have connected the battery connector to the bidirectional switch. Now connect your LEDs to it. Now I have connected the LEDs to the bidirectional switch. Now connect your motor also to the bidirectional switch. Now we have finished our circuit. Now paint your 4 cardboard pieces. I have painted the cardboards. Let it dry. Till the time we'll do some other work. Take your wheel and cut the straw like this. Then put the straw inside the wheel. Do it the same to another wheel. Now stick your wheels to the cardboard boxes with the tape. Now I have stick the wheels to the cardboard pieces. Now the cardboard pieces have dried. Now put the motor in the cardboard piece like this. Then stick another cardboard pieces on top of the pieces with the Fevicol. Now stick your LEDs to the engine. Now I have stick the LEDs on the cardboard. Now stick the switch to the cardboard and the battery. Now we have finished our engine. Now take your tape and attach it to the engine like this. Then do it the same to the another bogies. Now connect your engine to the bogies. Now let's test it. Now let's test it in the dark. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos.